This is a fit for a 2017, 2018, and likely beyond Audi Q7 with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars with integrated feet. It is connected to the flush side rails using vehicle specific fitting kit number 3145. The usable bar spacing in between the feet on the front bar is 38 inches. The spacing from the front bar to the rear bar is 31.5 inches center to center. The usable bar spacing for the rear bar is 35.75 inches. Overall maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.